Alright, let's do this. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly which strategy I used in order to quit my 9 to 5. I used to be a courier driver for several years, doing mad long shifts, grinding, breaking my back, long hours. Didn't get home until late in the evening, left my house around 5 a.m. It was a madness. 200, 300 boxes, parcels, everything was so stressful. I knew that I had to find a way out of this. So I stumbled upon Forex trading and started learning, started looking at the charts. I had a few mentors and eventually I came across the simple and very straightforward concept, which I'm going to show you today. So make sure that you watch to the very end, like this video and share with everybody who needs to know this information. Basically speaking, all I did was I got a 200 EMA. Here we go, right here. How do you install it? You go into your trading view and you go into this section over here, indicators, type 200 EMA. It can be literally anyone. It can be multi EMA, which I have already on my chart. It can be normal EMA, exponential moving average. Install that. Make sure that the exponential moving average is 200. So right here I have it in red. This red line is my 200 EMA. So all I knew was that when the trend is bearish, I need to know how can I enter the market when the trend is bearish. And when the trend is bullish, I need to know what to do in order to enter the market when the trend is bullish. That's all I cared about. I needed to know what is the simplest way to trade the Forex market. Okay, so whenever the trend is bullish, the red line is going to be underneath the price, nowhere near the price. It shouldn't be close to the price. It just should be literally clear from the price. Here's our candlesticks. That is our trend. And as you can see, the EMA is beneath it. Okay, so this is a good sign. This is a very good sign. So this means that the buyers are in control of the market. That is all I need to know. Nothing else. Nothing complicated. Nothing else. That's all I knew back then. So whenever the market is bullish, now there are many people who will tell you that you need daily time frame, you need 4H time frame, you need 2H, 30M, 5M, top down analysis. Listen, all I cared about was the simplest way to trade the Forex market. So what I did was I stayed on 1H, 24 candles in a day. How can I make 1% every day? That's it. How can I make 2% every day or even 3% every day? I wasn't greedy. I just needed a steady, day-to-day, consistent Forex strategy. And I was going to get it no matter what, because my job working as a courier driver was stressing me out. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Here's what you do. London session opens around 7, 8 a.m. 7 a.m. is Frankfurt, 8 a.m. is London. So here's what I did every day, okay? Every day I woke up in the morning and I would scout all the charts. I would scout all the charts and I would wait for a color change engulfing candlestick entry. Color change engulfing means something like this. You see this? So whenever this blue candle engulfs this black candle, that's the color change bullish engulfing candlestick. That's it. So whenever I saw this, I would immediately enter. I would enter like this and aim for 1 or 2%. That was it. That's my entry. Now let's see how often this actually happens in the Forex market. Let's backtest together. Okay, let's backtest together. Today is the 13th of December 2022. Let's see how often does this actually work. Simple. Let's see if I'm actually lying to you or if what I'm saying to you is actually for real. Let's do this. Okay, this is yesterday, 7 a.m. Place our stop loss below the wick. We got 2%. That's yesterday. Okay, cool. The day before yesterday, okay, that's right here. Color change engulfing. This is a pin bar. Here we have a bullish candlestick engulfing. Here we go, aim for another 2-3%. That's it. Boom. Let's continue. It happened here as well. Another one. Okay. Then we also have a situation right here. Stop loss below the wick. Aim for 2%. There we go, 2%. Now, pay attention. Today is the 13th of December, and already we had, now the EMA has to be clear. This 200 EMA has to be underneath the price. It shouldn't be nowhere near the price. All you're doing is on 1H time frame, waiting to see whether whenever there's a 1H engulfing candlestick entry like this, you just enter. Forget about anything else. Just enter in for 2%, 1%. Don't matter. It is about getting and having a confidence within this strategy. So right there we have the entry. Here's the entry. Here's the entry. And here's the entry. Let's continue going backwards. Let's backtest this strategy and see how many times we get stopped out. We have another entry over here. Aim for 2% reached in the new day. That's all right. Okay, this right here is not an entry. That is not a color change. Engulfing right here, that's not an entry. But this is an entry. So right here, even though the wick is all the way here, that's still an entry. Okay, 2%. Next day. Is this candle bearish? Yep, that's a bearish candlestick. Here we have another color change, all engulfing right there. This one didn't do too well. It depends. If you place your stop loss on the body, then you would have got 2% within a few hours. Let's keep going. Then another day within the London session at 8 a.m. is when the market makers push the price to the upside or to the downside. We already know that the buyers are in control. Why? Because the 200 EMA, which is right here, is solid and it is below the price, which means the buyers are in control. That is all you need to know. That is 2%. Easy. Right there. Previous day. Let's keep going. This did 2%. This is NZD-CAD. So open your charts and let me know if this is true or not. So right there, another 2%. All that is not an entry. Then previous day, we got another color change engulfing. Once again, color change means we have one candlestick which is one color, and the second candlestick a different color. That's the color change. Color change engulfing, full engulfing candlestick entry. That was my signal. Okay. So when I saw how successful this strategy was, I actually started doubling down, and I was seeing that okay, it's actually working. I started believing that Forex trading can actually get me out of the difficult situation. Entry over here, entry over here. That was an entry, and that was an entry. This is the simplest strategy that you will come across in the Forex market. This is the simplest Forex strategy that I know of, and I'm sharing it with you right now for free. Listen, if you're finding this valuable, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and share this video. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going, because the trend is your friend until it bends. We need to find the situation where we actually get stopped out. Okay, eventually we will get stopped out. That's your entry. That's your entry. That's an entry. I don't really like this candlestick. That's not an entry. Finally, we have a situation where we get stopped out. Okay, because it's not going to be working all the time. Right here, we have a color change engulfing candlestick, and instead of it working out, it actually stopped us out. So here we would have lost 1%. But pay attention. Look at how many trades we had. Why I like 1H is because it's not going to give you a lot of false signals. So let's calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So we had 12 trades, and only one out of those 12 trades actually stopped us out. What does that mean? This means that the success rate of this strategy is emotional. The success rate of this strategy is going to get you over the edge. It's going to make you a successful Forex trader. Now, your risk to reward ratio is not going to be a lot. It will be 2%, 1%, sometimes 3%, but it's consistent. It's consistent. And as a beginner, you need to get your confidence up. So there you go. There you have it. Simple, no gimmicks. This is the strategy that gave me the confidence to actually double down on Forex and actually quit my 9 to 5, 9 to 6, even sometimes 9 to 8 courier delivery job. Okay. I was able to replace my income, and once I was able to replace my income, I was like, yeah, this is it. I'm going to go all out, and I'm going to actually do this thing full time. And now I'm in a position where I'm teaching you the same thing. Okay. I also have a private mentorship group where I can actually teach you even more than what I'm teaching you right here. If you want to learn from me directly, you can join my private Discord trading community and we can make this happen. All you have to do is click the link in the bio. Subscribe to this channel, like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.